Downtown Jersey City is a great place to live for many reasons. The most obvious one is it's right across from Lower Manhattan. It's also safe, walkable, there are great dining and nightlife options. There's a reason why it's one of the most popular destinations in the New York City metro area. Let me show you around. Fun fact, 9 out of 10 of the tallest buildings in the state of New Jersey are right here in Jersey City. And behind me is the tallest of them all, 99 Hudson, a recent luxury development which topped out at 900 feet and includes a 3,000 square foot swimming pool on the 8th level and a rooftop garden. Many people that end up moving to downtown Jersey City have jobs in New York City, and commuting from here is a breeze. Whether by PATH train or ferry, you can get to downtown Manhattan in less than 10 minutes. How do you beat that? The incredible variety of dining options is another reason so many people are drawn to downtown Jersey City. From artisanal pizza to craft beer to gourmet coffee to high-end restaurants for a special night out, there's something for every taste. And New York Ave, right off the Grove Street Path, is a prime example of that. We're minutes away from the waterfront and the amazing views of New York City, but it's walking along these historic brownstones next to Van Voorst Park that reminds me that downtown Jersey City offers different lifestyle choices depending on where you are in life and what your priorities are. Paulus Hook is one of the most sought after and prestigious neighborhoods in downtown Jersey City because it really encapsulates everything that's great about living downtown. From neighborhood cafes and bars to the beautiful waterfront promenade, it's an excellent place to call home. We've only covered a few neighborhoods of downtown Jersey City. There's so much more to explore. If you're considering moving here, whether it's to rent or to own, feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need some advice. I'll be happy to chat.